So now that we understand how clefs work, let's take a look at the piano again and see how to orient ourselves with the treble clef and the bass clef. So remember I said the name of the piano here, go to the C that's here, and that's middle C, because it's the middle C of all the C's for the entire keyboard. Now, octave numbers say we're going to count up how many C's there are, or how many D's, or how many E's. So let's do that, and let's go to the bottom of the piano. Now remember, the piano is a bias towards C, so we're not going to start here with this A and B. We're going to start here with this C. Okay, so this is C1, C2, C3, and C4. And now I'm back to the name of the piano. So the middle C is the fourth C on the piano, so it's called C4. And then I have C5, C6, C7, and C8. So there's 8 total C's on the piano. Now, let's remember the treble clef and the bass clef. So those are over here, and we said that the treble clef marks where G is, and the bass clef marks where F is. And I said they're a particular G and a particular F. They're not just any old G or F. So the treble clef is G4, it says, and the bass clef is F3. So let's go back to the keyboard. So we just established that middle C is C4. Well, the way these octave numbers work is that C is the beginning of an octave. So if this is C4, then this is D4, E4, F4, G4. So the treble clef G that marks where a G is specific to G4. In other words, the G that's above the middle of the piano. And the bass clef, we said, was F3. Okay. So the way the octaves work again is if this is C4, this starts the fourth octave going up to the right, which means everything below this C is 3 going down to C3. Okay? So this B, which is right below C4, this B down to this C, everything in here is the third octave. So when I said that the bass clef marks off F, well, here's a group of 3. Here's F. F3, it's the F below the middle C. And that's how we determine specifically which G and which F these are referring to.